It's easy to restore shine to brass fixtures and accents around your home using an all-purpose metal polish. Here's what you'll need. First, determine if your piece is solid brass or brass-plated by doing the magnet test. If it sticks, the piece is probably electroplated brass over some other type of alloy metal. If it doesn't, it's likely solid brass and may require a gentler cleanser. First, put on disposable gloves. Then, after shaking the cleaner well, soak a clean microfiber cloth with it and apply to the brass piece. Get into nooks and crannies with a soft toothbrush if necessary, and gently rub areas with stubborn tarnish. Then, using a clean, dry cloth, wipe the cleaner off. Finally, with a fresh microfiber cloth, buff the brass to a solid shine. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.